I want my skin drinking out of a fire hydrant all day and all night. Hello my bosses. How y'all doing in Bosses land? I hope everybody's doing well. To my returning bosses, how y'all doing? And to my new bosses, hey girls, hey guys. Y'all make sure y'all hit that notification bell, honey, so that you're notified each and every time I drop a video. And make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel. So I wanted to do this particular video, guys, because everyone has been asking me to do my skincare routine. I've done skincare lives. I'm going to do another one. And I've also done plenty of skincare videos. And I've been asked a lot, like, oh my gosh, like, what are you doing to, you know, keep your skin looking so young and so youthful and so juicy and hydrated? And can you do a skincare video? Can you do a skincare video? So I decided to do this video on hydration flooding. So that's what I do to my skin, y'all. I practice hydration flooding. And what that typically is just me flooding my skin with hydration. Y'all laugh because my puppy's at the door, honey. I have my door closed filming and he is sniffing at the bottom of my door. But anyway, girl, I wanted to do this video to kind of just teach you. Hold on, y'all, because now he's acting up. Give me a second. So I wanted to do this video on hydration flooding to teach you guys like what hydration flooding is. And hydration flooding is this basic. Why are you looking at me? I ain't trying to edit these videos. So I know. So hydration flooding is where you're layering multiple hydration products on your skin to maximize, basically to flood your skin with hydration. This is the way I see it. I want my skin to be in a position where it is constantly drinking water out of a fire hydrant, okay? And the first thing I do to hydration flood is drink your water, okay? Hydration to me starts from the inside out. So I try my best to drink as much water as I can. I'm not a water drinker. I like to put, Milo drops or Mio drops. They have some of those as well. I like to put that in my water, but I make sure that I get in a good amount of water just to keep my skin hydrated and my body, okay? So that's the first step. You want to hydrate from the inside out. You want to make sure when you're hydration flooding that you have a cleanser that is a hydration cleanser. You want your serums to be hydration based, and these are water based products, guys, i.e. hydration. You want your serum to be a hydration based product. You want your moisturizers to be hydration based, and any other skincare that you use. You want all those things to be a water based hydration product. So I'm just going to show you guys. Y'all have seen these products a billion times now, but I'm going to show you again my staples that I typically use when I'm hydrating. Okay. So we're going to start with my cleanser. Right now I am, honey, the kale, green tea, spinach, vitamins cleanser from Youth to the People has me in a chokehold. I am obsessed. This is probably my my second round of this. As you can see, the bottle is a nice size and you get a good amount. This is my cleanser, and I double cleanse. So I love this thing. Oh my gosh, this stuff is just so good. My skin loves it. And I feel like it lays a good groundwork for hydrating the skin, right? It definitely does its job. It cleanses the skin very, very well. And when I use this, it gets nice and sudsy and all those things. And I know it's doing its job. So my skin also, when I rinse this off, I don't get that dry, cracky feeling on my skin when I take this off. I mean, my skin literally like still feels moisturized, but clean. So that is my cleanser, okay? I'm going to go over my two serums that I'm currently using. Of course, y'all know I'm always talking about this Fresh Rose Hydration Emulsium Serum. Girl. So y'all know rose, the rose extract. Is it extraction? The rose extract. It helps with blemishes on the skin, but it also helps to hydrate and moisturize the skin. So I always make sure that I have some type of rose product in my skincare routine. Y'all know the Fresh line Roseline has me in a chokehold. Y'all know I rant and rave about my hydration mist, which I ran out. I have another one. I just got to find it. Otherwise, that will be here as well. But I'll go ahead and post it up here so y'all can see my hydration mist. But this serum right here, it definitely hydrates my skin, okay? So after I cleanse my skin, I double serum. So this is one of the serums that I use. The other serum, y'all, I actually use 3 serums, hence hydration flooding. The other serum I use is this doggone Superfood Skin Drip by Youth to the People. Y'all, the Youth to the People line is coming through with the hydration. I'm not gonna lie. This is a glowing skin serum, and I like to put this on last, and it just leaves my skin so nice and hydrated looking. It's so dewy. And honey, like that makeup, the Patrick Tar foundation that leaves your skin all nice and shiny, that's how this does. Like, what? I am obsessed with this Youth to the People serum. Love it, love it, love it. The other serum that I use is my Josie Maran Argan Oil Serum. So I've been rocking this for a minute. I started using Josie Maran's products years ago when she first appeared on QVC with her argan oil based line, and obsessed. By the way, y'all, this video is not sponsored, but Josie Maran, Youth to the People, Elemis, Fresh, if y'all want to sponsor Bossdom Chronicles, please reach out. My email link is in the bio. So anyway, yeah, I am obsessed with Josie Maran's argan oil line. And let me tell you what I love about argan oil. Argan oil does not leave me with any pimples. It doesn't clog my pores, because I was always a little skittish about using oil on my skin. I'm just not an oil girly. But when I tell you the argan oil does so well on my skin, it hydrates my skin and leaves it nice and juicy and plump. Also, the Elemis makeup oil remover that I use, the makeup balm, it does not clog my pores or anything like that. I don't have that with me, but that is my makeup remover that I use. The Elemis Makeup Remover Cleansing Balm. Love it. It leaves my skin hydrated as well. And yes, so everything I have mentioned so far, ladies, is hydration-based, water-based products that are hydration formulated. So love this. And then the other item, last but not least, my Elemis Pro Collagen Moisturizing Cream. This particular one, because they have different ones, but this particular one is specifically for dry skin, extra dry skin. Now, my skin is not extra dry, but I do have dry to normal skin. And so I love this. This is specially formulated to hydrate the skin and leave it extra moisturized. So between this, honey, and these 50,000 serums I just showed y'all, and my Youth to the People cleanser, and my water that I'm drinking, and my Elemis cleansing balm, and my my fresh rose hydration spray, she's drinking out of a fire hydrant all day long, all day and all night when I'm sleeping. So real quick, it's a quick video, short, sweet, to the point, but those are the items that I currently use to overly hydrate my skin. So I do practice hydration flooding, and that's basically what it is using water-based products and layering them to hydrate the skin and give the skin extra moisture and extra hydration. And like I said, me personally, I want my skin drinking out of a fire hydrant all day and all night. So there you have it. All right, y'all, that is it for today's video. If you have any questions, drop a comment down below and I'll be happy to address. Tell me what you're doing to hydrate your skin. Now, put it in the comments, y'all. Put it in the comments. Let's talk. Let's talk about it. So anyway, y'all have a great day. And as always, this is the day the Lord has made. We will rejoice and what? Be glad. Y'all take care. Bye-bye.